Today we are diving into POSCO's groundbreaking Phoenix iron making technology, a game changer for sustainability and efficiency in steel production. So let's get started. Phoenix revolutionized iron making by eliminating a traditional blast furnace's bottlenecks. It directly processes low-cost iron ore fines and non-coking coal, cutting capital and operational expenses while slashing emissions. Since its 2007 debut, the 1.5 million ton per year plant has exceeded target, and POSCO is already scaling up to 2 mtpy. Here is how it works. Now question arises that why replaces blast furnaces? Conventional methods rely on sintering and coking, costly, energy intensive, and environmentally taxing processes. Phoenix was designed to bypass these hurdles using cheaper raw material and reducing emission. It's not just an upgrade, it's a strategic leap towards sustainable steel making. Now coming to the Phoenix process, which simplify iron making into three key steps. First, iron ore fines are reduced in a fluidized based reactor. Next, the hot direct reduced iron is compacted and melted in a gasifier. And finally, the coke briquetting and injection replace coking. This streamlined flow cuts complexity while expanding raw material options, a win-win for efficiency and flexibility. Now, coming to the numbers. So, the numbers speak for themselves. POSCO's 1.5 million ton per year plant consistently outperformed targets, 4,300 tons daily production against a 4,200 ton goal, with coal consumption at about 720 kg per ton of hot metal. Emissions are a fraction of blast furnaces, proving Phoenix operational and environmental superiority. Phoenix turned limitations into opportunities. It handled low-grade ores with high alumina content, unusable in blast furnaces, and even tests magnetite ores successfully. Coal briquetting allow non-coking coal use, reducing cost further. This flexibility future proofs supply chains against resource scarcity. So Phoenix is not just efficient, it's eco-conscious too. SOx and NOx emission are 3% and 1% of blast furnace levels, respectively. With CO2 sequestration, emission could drop to 56% of conventional level. In an era of tightening regulations, Phoenix sets the benchmark for clean steel production. Coming to the energy front, energy savings are baked into Phoenix design. The waste heat recovery system saves 150 Mcal per ton of hot metal, while integrated oxygen and power plant optimize resource use. These innovations are not just cutting cost, they are redefining energy standard in heavy industry. Now, what next?